The sacred geometric proportions of nature have long been known and used for healing purposes by ancient cultures all around the world. The human body is actually an incredible example of how these divine proportions are represented in our physical forms. For instance, the distance from your fingertips to the opposite shoulder is exactly the same as the distance from the tip of your nose to the opposite ear. If we were to draw lines connecting these points, they would form a perfect 90-degree angle. This proportion is also seen throughout many other aspects of our lives, such as in the shape of a flower petal or the curve of a seashell. And when we take a closer look at these natural phenomena, we can see that they exhibit a certain orderliness, which has led some people to believe that there must be a higher power behind their creation. In fact, this idea is so widespread that it has even inspired modern scientists who are now trying to discover what might lie at the heart of this universal geometry. So join me on this journey as we explore the fascinating topic of sacred geometry and uncover its hidden secrets. Now let's dive deep into the captivating realm of sacred geometry. But before we do, if you find yourself captivated by the mysteries of the cosmos and the wonders of ancient wisdom, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll be joining a community of fellow explorers who share a thirst for knowledge and a fascination for the unknown. Together, we'll embark on a thrilling expedition through the hidden realms of our universe. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and let our cosmic journey begin. Our story begins with Plato, a renowned philosopher from ancient Greece, who made significant contributions to the field of sacred geometry. He introduced the concept of 5 regular solids, also known as the Platonic solids. These are 3-dimensional geometric shapes whose faces are made up of identical polygons and have equal angles at each vertex. They include the tetrahedron, hexahedron or cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. Each of these solids represents a fundamental element of nature, earth, air, fire, water, and ether, according to Plato. The tetrahedron symbolizes fire with its 4 triangular faces, representing the 4 classical elements of earth: air, water, and fire. The hexahedron or cube embodies earth, with its 6 square faces symbolizing stability and structure. The octahedron represents air, with its 8 triangular faces signifying freedom and movement. The dodecahedron symbolizes water, with its 12 pentagonal faces reflecting adaptability and fluidity. Finally, the icosahedron embodies ether, the 5th element, with its 20 triangular faces representing purity and the celestial realm. Plato believed that these 5 solids contained the essence of the universe and were the building blocks of reality. He saw them as a manifestation of the divine order and harmony that existed throughout the cosmos. His ideas laid the foundation for later developments in sacred geometry. Moving forward in time, we encounter the renowned Swiss polymath Leonardo da Vinci, who made groundbreaking discoveries in various fields such as art, science, and engineering. Da Vinci was particularly fascinated by the relationship between geometry and nature. He studied the proportions of the human body and observed that they closely resembled the dimensions of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This led him to formulate what is now known as the golden ratio, also known as the divine proportion. The golden ratio is an irrational number approximately equal to 1.618. It is derived from the Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones. As we delve deeper into the Fibonacci sequence, the ratio between consecutive numbers approaches the golden ratio. The golden ratio can be found in various natural phenomena, such as the arrangement of leaves on a stem, the spiral pattern of a sunflower, and the proportions of a nautilus shell. It has been revered throughout history as a symbol of beauty and harmony in nature. Da Vinci believed that the golden ratio was a manifestation of divine order and used it extensively in his artistic creations, such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. He incorporated this ratio into the composition and proportions of his artwork to achieve a sense of balance and aesthetic appeal. Fast forward to the 17th century, and we encounter the brilliant mind of Johannes Kepler, a German astronomer and mathematician who made significant contributions to our understanding of the solar system and the laws of planetary motion. Kepler's laws of planetary motion revolutionized astronomy by providing a mathematical framework to describe the motion of planets around the Sun. He discovered that planets move in elliptical orbits with the Sun at one focus, not the center. This discovery marked a departure from the previously held belief in circular orbits and heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus. Kepler's second law states that a line joining a planet and the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal intervals of time, indicating that planets move faster when they are closer to the Sun and slower when they are farther away. His third law established a precise mathematical relationship between the period of a planet's orbit and its average distance from the Sun. Kepler's laws provided a deeper understanding of the solar system and laid the foundation for Newton's law of universal gravitation. Now let's shift our focus to the remarkable discoveries of the Greek mathematician Euclid, who is considered the father of geometry. Euclid's most famous work, The Elements, is a collection of 13 books that systematically and rigorously defined and explored the fundamental principles of geometry. Euclid's approach to geometry revolutionized the field by introducing a deductive method of reasoning. In The Elements, Euclid began with a set of axioms or self-evident truths and derived theorems through logical deductions. This approach provided a solid foundation for the study of geometry and influenced the development of mathematical thinking for centuries. One of Euclid's most important contributions is the parallel postulate, which states that if two lines are cut by a transversal, then the alternate interior angles are equal. While the other postulates deal with the properties of points, lines, and planes, the parallel postulate stands out as a unique and somewhat controversial statement. In fact, it took nearly 3,000 years for mathematicians to prove or disprove Euclid's parallel postulate, highlighting its significance and complexity. Euclid's influence on mathematics is immeasurable. His work not only laid the foundations for geometry, but also inspired generations of mathematicians to explore the beauty and power of abstract reasoning. As we continue our exploration of sacred geometry, we encounter the enigmatic flower of life. This intricate geometric pattern consists of a series of overlapping circles that create a mesmerizing design rich in symbolism and hidden patterns. The flower of life is believed to hold profound wisdom about the nature of the universe and our place within it. At the heart of the flower of life lies the seed of life, a fundamental geometric pattern composed of 19 circles arranged in a specific configuration. This pattern holds immense significance because it represents the very essence of creation. The seed of life is said to contain all the information necessary to create the entire universe and is often associated with the concept of the Big Bang theory. From this central point of creation, the flower of life expands outward, encompassing more circles and intricate patterns. Each circle represents a level of consciousness or a stage in the evolutionary process. As we move outward, the pattern becomes increasingly complex, mirroring the intricate web of life that exists in the universe. The flower of life is not merely a static geometric design, but rather a dynamic representation of the interconnectedness and interdependence of all things. It symbolizes the unity and harmony that exist throughout the cosmos. Let's now turn our attention to the extraordinary abilities of our own bodies. Did you know that your body possesses the remarkable ability to heal itself? It's truly amazing. When minor cuts or scrapes occur, your body automatically starts the healing process. Tiny cells rush to the site of the injury, working tirelessly to repair the damage. It's like having your very own personal repair crew always on call, but the healing powers of your body extend far beyond simple cuts and bruises. When faced with more serious injuries or illnesses, your body activates an incredible defense mechanism. Your immune system, a complex network of cells and processes, jumps into action to fight off infections and keep you healthy. It's like having your own personal army, always ready to defend against harmful invaders. Even in the face of challenging situations, your body has the inherent ability to adapt and overcome. Through a process known as homeostasis, your body maintains a stable internal environment, despite external changes. It's like having your own personal climate control system, keeping everything in balance and working smoothly. What's even more remarkable is that your body follows precise geometric principles in its structure and function. From the hexagonal pattern of your honeycomb to the spiral shape of your DNA, geometry plays a crucial role in every aspect of your being. These geometric patterns ensure efficiency, strength, and harmony in your body, allowing it to function optimally. As we conclude our exploration of sacred geometry, let us marvel at the intricate tapestry of patterns and proportions that govern our existence. The ancient cultures recognized the profound influence of geometry on our lives, and their wisdom continues to resonate today. By understanding and harnessing the principles of sacred geometry, we can tap into the very essence of creation and align ourselves with the harmonious flow of the universe. Whether it's the golden ratio found in nature's grand designs or the mystical flower of life connecting all things, sacred geometry serves as a reminder of our interconnectedness to the cosmos. Embrace the geometric wonders that surround you and within you, and let them guide you on your path to enlightenment and self-discovery. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of sacred geometry. If you've been captivated by the mysteries of the cosmos and the hidden patterns that shape our existence, I invite you to stay connected. Remember, by understanding and embracing the principles of sacred geometry, we can unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos and the infinite possibilities that lie within.